Wow. This is really cool. Trusty little flashlight. So we can look up in here and see some giant bugs. Oh. Good morning. What's up, everybody? Hope you all are doing wonderful today. Right now, we are kind of just out doing our own thing. It is a glorious rainy day. I'm super pumped about this video because I've never really filmed in the rain like this. At this moment, we are walking down this trail to check out this old bridge that used to be, I guess, a road. Not 100% sure, but I think it's called the Sandy Creek Bridge, and it's been here for a long time. So hopefully when we get up to it here, it'll still be here because of all the flooding we've had. Oh yeah, there it is. Awesome. This is cool. Wow. Check this out, guys. I definitely think we came in the wrong way as well. Whoa. Well, this is a neat little area. I really like this. Wow. Alright guys, well, that is going to be the start of this video. I just wanted to show you this real quick because it's right next to our destination of where we want to go. And that is Cress Farm Garden Preserve. That is where we are headed today. I've never been there before. So supposedly at Cress Farm Garden Preserve, there is a nice waterfall there, and what a wonderful day. So hopefully it'll be flowing. And second, there are some caves that I want to look at. So well, let's go check it out, guys. Okay guys, so we made it to Cress Farm Garden Preserve, and this place is really neat. It is an area that has been around since probably the mid 1800s. As like native plants, they try to preserve it. They got a little housing areas and everything up here where you can buy plants and stuff. Like, it's a pretty neat area, and I did not expect all of this. But right now we are headed down on the blue trail here, which leads to the caves, I believe she said. But it also merges with the yellow trail, which has the waterfalls, which we will check out first. Ooh, good grief. A little muddy here. Oh. Alright. Alright, so here we want to head to the blue trail, which is going to lead into the yellow trail, which will lead us to the waterfalls, and then it'll lead us back to the blue trail to where we can find the caves. So Cress Farm Garden Preserve is dedicated to maintaining 142 acres of native plants and wildlife habitats for generations to come. So as the members, they're committed to protecting this area from future developments. So I think that's pretty neat what they do out here. I like that. Whoa. This is a pretty neat looking area. Wow. And there's a horse over there. So it's probably people horseback riding, hopefully. Oh, nope, there's a ranch right there. All right, interesting. I'm not 100% sure if this waterfall that we're headed to is even going to be flowing, so maybe a complete bust, but we're going to head there anyway and check it out and just see what's happening there. If not, we have the caves. They're going to be pretty sweet. I've seen a couple pictures of them, and that's one reason why I came out here, is to show you guys this, because the caves are freaking cool looking. At some point this trail breaks off into the yellow trail, and I'm not sure exactly where that's gonna happen, because first, I've never been here before, and second, well, there is no second. I've just never been here before. I'm just not really too familiar with the area. And I got the map markers on the trees, but I didn't think that these trails were this long. So it's kind of a little confusing. Not too bad though. Okay, well, I guess we passed the waterfalls. I don't really know. But I do know this. Found the caves. So I guess we'll just go check those guys out real quick. I was pretty sure that we were headed in the right direction to find the waterfall, but I guess not. And I did speak to a very nice lady before I started this trail, and she told me that when we get down to these caves, we'll have to take the same trail back up. So, just a little tidbit of information here for you guys. We'll say the mosquitoes are bad out here. Good grief. Oh, wow. This is really cool. Whoa. Alright guys, here we go. Look at this. Wow. Now this is freaking cool. Whoa. Well, we can finally stay dry now. Whoa. Yes, I did bring my trusty little flashlight so we can look up in here and see some giant bugs. Nope. Well, there's nothing interesting to that. Well, this is the first cave, guys. There apparently is more. She told me once you see one, you must keep going because there are others. So that is where we are gonna go. One more look. So cool. I'm still disappointed that we didn't find the waterfall first, though. I was kind of hoping to save these caves for last for you, but doesn't look like that's gonna happen. Gotta climb over this. What a rainy day it has been. I did not expect for it to rain today. But that's all it's been doing ever since I woke up. Oh, here's some more caves, guys. Oh, wow. Here we go. Whoa. Well, we're definitely going to go under it because it's big enough. We'll turn the trusty flashlight on. Make sure we don't run into any enemies. Oh God, that's really muddy. Wow. How neat is this? This water, I just sank into this mud. Holy shit. This area is so cool. What a really just a hidden gem this place is. I don't think a lot of people know about this. I mean, it's the first time I've ever seen this place. See what's in here. Awfully wet. Oh man. So it just basically leads to that other side over there. So not much going on. All right. Whew. Gotta get low for that one. Well guys, this place is definitely neat. I did not expect all of this. And then the cave before this. Definitely a hidden gem in here, that's for sure. This place is right outside of Hillsboro, Missouri. Crest Farm Garden Preserve. If you're in the area, check it out. So she said there's a few caves along this trail, so I have a feeling there's probably just like one or two more, and we'll go check those out, and then we'll go try to find that waterfall that I passed somehow. I don't know. Let's go. Get one more good look at it, guys. All right. Oh God. We're getting treacherous around here. All right. We'll try to find this last cave. Well, that didn't take long, guys. We are here. About the same as the other ones, but we're gonna go down here and look at it anyway. How to get down here though, I'm not 100% sure. I don't trust any of this in front of me. So we'll find ourselves another way. I found a tiny little trail that we can go through to get to it. Alright. So pretty much the same as all the other ones. Still neat. This one's got a little more of a ceiling to it, to where I can actually stand up in it. that was cool. Definitely dig these kind of parks, man, with all the caves in them. Now, it's probably it for the caves, I believe. I don't really think there's much more besides the end of the trail. So this is what she was talking about. There's a little cliff over there, but I don't think it's a cave. Yeah, this right here. This is the end of the trail, so now we gotta head back. Okay, so thankfully these trails are not super long. So what we have to do is backtrack. Yeah, I know. Gotta go back uphill and go to the area where the yellow and the blue meet and make a left on the yellow trail. We just kept going straight and led us right to where we wanted to go last. So now we'll backtrack all the way, hit that yellow trail, and find that waterfall. Oh, look what we got, guys. Another turtle. There's not much to see. Sorry, little buddy. Just want to show you to everybody. He's a little camera shy, guys. You'll have to forgive him. Well, we made it to the yellow trail. Finally. Earlier when we split off, I should have not followed that guy. And I should have followed that guy, but I didn't. So now we're on the right trail to find the waterfall. What we could have done is went to the waterfall, came back and checked out the caves, but oh well. Hope the waterfall has a little bit of water running off of it, because that would be nice and more aesthetically pleasing to you guys and me. But we haven't had much rain in the last week, so who knows. But I guess we'll find out when we get there, right? Alright guys, well, we found it. And it sounds like there's some water coming off of it. So let's go look. Oh yeah. Well, that is just not very interesting, is it? How am I supposed to get to this? There's no trail. And I'm not walking through all that. Well, there's like literally no way of getting down, guys. And if I do get down, how the hell am I gonna get back up? Bummer. All that talk, guys, I did for you. And this is what I give you. Wow. Alright. Well, I guess we'll just stand here and admire it. What do you think? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I'm sure it's wonderful when it's really flowing. But right now, no. It's not very stunning. And the fact that we can't even get close to it. So, yeah. I guess I'll try to find something else that we can explore here in this park, because other than those things that I just showed you, I don't think there's much else to show. Huh. Shit. I did find something else. Another cave. According to the map, it's just dead ahead here on this trail, and hopefully we can find it and check it out and I guess call it quits for the day, because it's starting to rain a little harder and I'm starting to get a little cold and wet. Yeah, we've come to a cute little bridge. The Eagle Scout Project, Samuel James. You guys did a fine job on this bridge. I may have found it. I don't know if you can read that. Let's go check this guy out. Okay, so I can already tell you guys that this is the one that I had seen pictures of. So it wasn't that first fall that we were at. That was just a teaser. This is the good one. Unfortunately, doesn't seem like there's any water falling from it, but it's still cool looking. Wow. Okay. So this is pretty cool. We should try and walk down this just to check it out, as always. And that, I believe, is just from the falls when it starts pouring. Which it's doing right now, but not heavy enough for it to flow over. Well, guys, I think that is pretty much it for this place. I have seen everything that there is to see here, except for the little actual farm up on top when you first come in here. That place is pretty neat. I might show you guys around that. But as far as the actual natural stuff around this park, I believe this is it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this a lot. I have had a blast just being out here, especially in the rain. So let's head back. We'll check out the little farm area and then we'll call it quits. Tell me if there's anything in here. Nope. Nada. Guys, this place is really neat. I wish more places would do stuff like this and preserve these areas and just keep them natural, man. It's so cool. And then they give you the opportunity to walk the trails. It's really wonderful, and I really admire the people that do this kind of stuff. So great work, Crest Farms. You guys did a wonderful job out here. I really enjoyed just the 2 little trails that I went on. So again, awesome. Keep doing what you're doing. Oh God, that's some muddy stuff. Okay guys, well, we made it out of there. I see my car just up ahead. So I appreciate you guys joining me on this adventure, as always. I never know what I'm gonna get myself into, so we just kind of wing it every video. So I appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and if you know somebody that likes this kind of content, please share it. I'll see you guys next time, and God bless. So this is the farm area, guys. You can buy some plants over there. It's like a little community hall over there, and this is probably where they live most of the time. Looks like there's more plants back there that you can buy, but yeah, I guess the people live here and they just upkeep with the area during the seasons. So really fascinating place, guys. And if you're in the area, again, it's out just outside of Hillsboro, Missouri. And if you're in the area, come check it out, man. It's cool. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this adventure. I really would like to get this bug off of my camera.